Ole tun video chuan images formed by concave mirror kanon sei fil dona ama salama khan spherical mirror ina image a form dan concave b kha kan sei to khami kai noi kal zel khalania image formation kha kan sei zo lo tuna kanon sei le dona luk deuh in lo ngai thanga chuan in lama in ti tur in assignment tur kha atopa kanon sei le don ya ta hian images formed by concave mirror paruk kan ya object kha a omna hmun in son ta se mo pakhat na hian a object omna kha infinity a lo om ta se image khoya nge a omang if the object is placed at infinity image will be formed where kha kan enter number 1 a mo the number 2 a chon image kha object kha beyond c kan di c to center of curvature khania khami pia daya omta se khoi ange image a form leang ti kha kan en le torania so number 3 a hian object kha center of curvature che khan omve thung ta se image khoi ange a form ang ti mo kan zir le bokanga chuan image object kha center of curvature le f hetilai f hi principal focus kan ti khamo principal focus focal point kan ti khania chuan eta number 5 a chuan focal point ta khan object kha ta se image khoi ange formang object kha pole le focus a omle thang ta se khoi ange image formang ti kha kan zer tur chunia chuan number 1 a hian kan kalphotang number 1 hi kan en masaberanga next page hian when the object is at infinity object kha infinity ni chuan large distance mo extreme distance nge measure thailo antinan sun te po ni te po khin omna hlala to ka infinity ni mo hang ta kha nge ray incident ray anron pek chua kha mun hlat taka tangaron kalania I object kha hlat taka omta se tinan imit ina I clear phak thei phak to ahla ang te po kha infinity a chon lak thei ni mo tiang te kha mun hlat taka tangin incident ray hetilai mi hi incident ray na mirror strike zongaron kalmo this line hemi line hi incident ray we have two incident ray here incident ray pani ron kal hianin mirror and strike nu hian khoyange a reflection khoilama nge kal hei hi video masa a statement number 1 in ronzia a diagram che khania if our incident ray travels parallel to the principal axis after reflection it will go through principal focus ti in ronzia vek to khami che statement kha tuna hen kan mangtani hei kan incident ray kha principal axis kan ti chon hei ctf te omna axis hemi line hi ma hemi line hi principal axis anita chuan principal axis parallelin incident ray kharon kalta hei hei le hi incident ray nia chuan after striking mirror it reflect and travels and pass through principal focus hi aron kaltlang le ni ma chuan incident ray dang le kha hei poi angai te bokin principal axis parallelin another incident ray which also travels parallel to the principal axis after striking a mirror it will pass through the principal focus so this true reflection reflection pani te intersect na kha image omna tur chunia in this case our image will form at focus principal focus image kha a inform don ni hemi bika chon mo hei hi enge image form na tur chunia chon image ta hianin koron ziak lang lawa a nature le a position le a size hi soilan zel angaya ray diagram kan di chon hemi hi ray diagram chuni to maya atopa hian engtin nge zona question board ta aron kalchin kha po kan discuss dona ray diagram atang hian image khoya nge form manga image kha a nature kan je kang mo nature jan characteristics mo kha kan soi ngai boka chuan a position kan soi nga ya chuan enge a size a lian nge te ti kha kan soi ngai bok ani mo. But in this case our image will form at the focus. Positions of the image will be focus mo at focus kan di thayang position kha focus at focus mo. Then what about size of the image? Size of the image is extremely diminished, highly diminished te pokan thing a tele to ka you cannot see with your naked eye imit long pokhan mu thailo ni achan focus a khanin enge incident ray jong reflection nu khan anin tok veka khami anin to na hmuna khan image kha form ma chu a tele to ka a mu thailo mitin mo chu highly diminished thing kan soyang a nature hi etinge kan zia ve thungang concave mirror hianin atlang poithu in a real and inverted image form. A real kan ti chuan I image kha in front of mirror ma a form turania hei mirror chuni ta concave mirror ania anung lampang hi non reflecting surface kan tia chuan anung lampang chu amalamani thi to he lampang hian image kha form chuan virtual ania. It means a real image engtika nge form a form chu your reflected ray will actually intersect mo in reflected ray pani kha anin tok tak turin lo ani imaginary line na anin tok ani khan virtual image form nga ma se heta hi chonin imaginary line ni lawin I reflection kha mirror ava strike nuwa a reflection hi anin tok tak ka hei wang hian a real image continue mo chuan inverted ani na chan chu concave hianin invert principle exist noya hian image a form tlang puini ti zong hian I image kha om don ti na ni chu ma noi lampang hoyang chu inverted kan ti na chan chu nia rathia mang tro pani na kalang pani na chon when the object is beyond c ni chan c pia ti na ni c hi khoyang e kan nei en taila hei c hi hetila ya hian kan nei ya hi mo hei c hi enge ni kha center of curvature engwangin nge center kan ti achan chu concave mirror hi part of spherical mirror nia hetin a shark enge bial sphere ang khan ngai taula chon khami sphere kha tilai han tan ta ula mo heta le heta han tan ta ula chon concave mirror kha ron chok doni concave mirror chu achung lam enge in en theina mo a mirror whose reflecting surface is inward ti khania a non reflecting surface hi elampang jok khani ta ni tra chon hei hi center of curvature khania center of curvature nunga object kan nei ta ni a b hi object soina nia mo which is beyond c. Then here two incident ray kan ti kha image form nan kan mamo heta hen incident ray aron kal ta ni mo mirror strike zong incident ray kal re reng kha eng zong ingen hoi hei hi principal exist parallel nakal mo principal exist parallel re reng kha khoi angelu reflection om nuwa focus a kaltang le kan ti hei hetilai focus mo if soron kaltang le ni chuan incident ray dang pakhat le kan mamo image form nan chan chu reflection pahni angaya mo chan hei reflection form nan incident ray pakhat dang arong kal le chu chu khoi ange kal center of curvature arong kal tlanga statement number 2 video masa kan soi kha if our incident ray pass through center of curvature after striking mirror it will reflect back following the same path ti khania hei hi ti zong hian akal thla a akal thak na nga ya chi hen alet chho zong kal le ni reflection kama chu chu khoya nge I reflected ray pani khanin to an entala anin to na chu between c and f c le f in kara anin to ka chu chu center of curvature le principal focus in kara anin to kinani chu mo chuan hei nge tilaya masajok table mas column masajok hi hemi column hi nge positions of the image image omna between F and C, focus and center of curvature tinanya chuan hetilai mi next che mi column mi hi a size image kha alian nge te ate ni taro hi object kha hi nia image hi taro te ni tani chuan ate ta wangin diminish kan tiang mo diminish ani chuan te kha ne maya chuan hetilai mi hi nature of the image kha nia that nai mo that column mi hi chu a real and inverted engwangin nge a real image ani entala reflected ray pani kha anin tok tak tak ani mo heta hnunglama ti jong hen rin taila mirror hnunga mo ti jong hen kalti taila hi nge virtual nge which nge imaginary line chaw ni tani chu virtual image form dan tur ani ma situna chon anin tok tak tak awangin a real image form a chon inverted ani na chan chu principal axis nuai lama image kha a form a hiwang hian inverted ani ma chuan next akan kal yang ta hian when the object is at c a omta se c chin ria center of curvature hei hetilai c a hianin object kha omve thung ta a hei ma hei object ania chuan incident ray pahnih aron kal ta a pakhat chu which travels parallel to the principal axis parallel reng kha focus a kal tlang thin kan tia and after reflection it pass through principal focus then another incident ray dang le kha khoi ange rong kal ve thung hei principal focus kal tlangin incident ray kha chukjong in ti jong hen rong kal ni mo if our incident ray pass through the principal focus after striking mirror it will reflect back traveling parallel to the principal axis statement number 1 opposite che khanen do ni mo principal focus ron kal tlangani wangin a reflection hi nge principal axis parallelin akal ve don thunga ta pohon ron kal ta chi a chuan khoila ya nge i reflected ray pani in kha in tok ta le kan enang hei he tilai hian anin tok ta ni he lai mo chuan tilai hi image form na chunia chuan hei anhoya hianin b prime a prime b prime hei hi image soina kha nia mo object chu a b kha object ania a prime b prime hi image soina kha nia chuan a position hi khoi ange image kha form le image chu c a tho a hnuai zong in a form ani mo at c chuan a nature chu a real and inverted a real ani na chan chu incident ray in a reflected ray and form pani kha anin tok tak tak ani mo ta hian anin si tak taka chuwang chon a real and inverted ani na chan chu principal axis nuaya image kha form bang ani mo chuan a size hi object san zong nen ai ang che hei thret tur o center of curvature object om chuan i image po kha i object size che kha in ei don tin ani chu nge chu tiang ang size plane mirror te hi entire plane mirror a chuan nge same size hlir kan nei thin amaro chu concave le convex a chuan alian emo ate emo tlang pui thin ma se i object kha c a alai takai da chuan center of curvature ai da chuan image kha object ti atin ron chuak da ni chuma kha hriat tur a next a kal le nga lila when the object is between c and f c le f in kara omve thung ta se ram ti ni mo hei he de lai hi c le f c chu in center of curvature nia f chu focal point principal focus kan soi khania hei hi object khania so image khoi ange form he ta hian a form ani mo om je chu i incident ray kha ama sain enge principal axis parallelin akal phot ani hei tero te hi ma hei hi incident ray ma sa khania chuan parallel ani wangin f kaltlangin reflection kha omle ta etelai f hiron kaltlanga so incident ray dang le kha c kaltlangin tiana chhole a c kaltlang re reng chuan c a bok hian ron let thale don ni mo reflection kha chuan khoi ange anin to tak he tilai mora morte hen anin to ka chu khoi lai nge niang a position hi beyond c kan ti thaya alien zo ka object in image len zo ka wangin enlarge kan tianga a real and inverted ani na chan chu principal axis noya ama a real ani na chan chu incident ray pahnih tena reflection an siam khami te kha anin sik tak tak wang ania ma chuan next akan kal lenga oh chuan next a hianin en le taila ngo la function lova tichin khani phot sela hi ka stick hi function lo tlat maya chuan in homework tur chu tuna ka explain chin kha array diagram le a positions of image le a size le a nature kha in lo ziak vek don ya chiang hei ka stick hi function to lawa tun video tan chung kan du tok mai nga ma ba khala ma se in homework tur chu tuna ka explain chin 1 to 4 kamo array diagram ani chon hemi hi a diagram soina khania chon positions of image hi nia size hi nia hi nge nature of the image mo heng ho hi avai khana pali li ni lo jek don ya thank you.